Hi, Annabel Bateman here, and I am bringing to you an A to Z of doTERRA because I'm really all about wellness and living a wellness lifestyle. And for me, doTERRA essential oils and products really can be incorporated easily into a wellness lifestyle, but sometimes we just don't know how to use them. So I'm working through the products A to Z in short 3-minute or less practical videos. So if you like them and you want to hear more of them, subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on social media, and feel free to share with your friends as well. So today we're talking about bergamot or bergamot. It is a citrus actually. It looks a little bit like that, a little bit like a lime actually. And so a number of the citrus oils as a category are generally considered to be mood lifting. So if you're looking for something just to lift your spirits a little, to make you feel a little bit happier, then putting citrus oils in your diffuser is a great idea. That bergamot is one of those citrus oils that, aside from being mood lifting, can also actually be calming. So sort of one of those unique chemistries that both lifts up and calms down at the same time. So also appropriate to diffuse this well at night time. Because it is that soothing and calming, if you're feeling a little bit worried or got sort of those anxious feelings, feeling a little bit worked up, then bergamot is a lovely one to put in your diffuser. Particularly, I like to blend citrus and tree oils, so something like Siberian fir or cypress. They go really nicely and are very calming and settling. Bergamot is actually in Earl Grey tea, so if you're a tea lover, you can turn a black tea, just add one little drop of the bergamot and that will become an Earl Grey tea. So there's a hot little tip for you. It can also be used as part of a skincare regime, so you could add a little add a drop into like a bottle of your moisturizer or facial oil. It can be used just small. I wouldn't smother it all over my body and then go bake in the sun, because citrus oils are photosensitive. But you know, just small typical. It can be like cleansing and quite renewing for your skin. So there we go. There we have it, bergamot. I'm just trying to remember what is next. Let me tell you so that you can remember. So tune in for the next one. Will be black pepper. Black pepper, oh, that's a great one. So stay tuned and share this video if you like it. Thanks everyone, bye.